Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to organize my office and my office closet. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. I really don't talk that much, but I just needed to organize this space so I can get like a little less clutter in my mind. I have organized this closet back here probably like 15 times in this year, like this year alone. So I wanted something, so I really wanted something that I could just stick to and feel good about it instead of like wanting to continue changing it. Hopefully this works for me. I have like more space in my desk and everything, so hopefully I stick to that. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you in the video. Okay guys, so I want to do like a little organizing thing. So I'm trying to organize my closet, well, the closet in my office, because I need space for the, if you can see, Lorenza. Lorenza, what is it? Okay guys, so I need more space, and like I said in the Sunday, well, I don't know if I said it, but in the Sunday refresh vlog, I need more space and like more like drawer space. I just have so much shit, but so much shit, and I really need it to compress a little bit. I want to use this or these drawers as you can see Lorenzo's face. She's like, what's going on? I want to use this under my desk so I could have like more space eventually to just put like my laptop and all the shit that I have from work. I don't want to see it when I'm not working. And I know it might sound weird, but I have like my own personal laptop, and I really want to be using that and be comfortable in my own like desk with my laptop. Like, I don't want to be like taking everything away or just adjusting to everything that I have. And I would also like to have like less things in my desk or like on top of my desk. So my husband said, you have drawers, because I said I wanted to buy more. He's like, no, why? You already have drawers, but I'm using them for my like for my nail things, so I'm gonna try to organize that. Okay, so now we are trying to get everything out of the closet. I want to have like an empty canvas just so I can see what I want to do, what I want to organize, what I want to keep, what I want to throw away, what I want to donate. I tried to film everything I did, but for some reason it did not save. I had issues with the camera. I had to change cameras, so it was a huge mess. But I'm trying to figure out what things I have, because I haven't been using a lot of these things, so why would I keep them? So you can see I have a mess in my office, but I'm trying to see what fits and how I can use the space in the like the above of the closet. So I'm trying to figure out, I'm taking things out that I really don't use and that I'm trying to see what I really want to do with them. I did different piles like donate, throw away, and things that I want to organize. So this is what I'm trying to do. And this was like a long process. I was trying to figure out, if you can see my face, I was like, what the fuck am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do. This has been like a huge project, and I've been changing this closet for this entire year. Like all these months I've been cleaning and organizing and nothing works. I'm recording this on May 1st, so this has been working really well. I believe that I did this whole video, I think in March, or like the end of March or the beginning of April. And it really worked out. I really love how everything is set up right now, and it's just working amazingly. So here I am just trying to see the makeup that I have. I haven't been using any of these. Some of them are new, so why would I, if I'm not using it, I really wanted someone to use it. Some of the makeup I forgot that I had, so I was like, oh, I have this makeup. So I tried to organize the things that I wanted to keep, smelling them, because some of these makeups have like different smells, and I have so many palettes that I really am not using. I used to be like super huge on having a lot of makeup back when I was doing YouTube videos of makeup, but now I'm over that phase and I really don't use this. Also, I don't have any place to just do the makeup for. I do work from home, so why would I just spend so much time doing my makeup if no one's gonna see me? Or if it's just me, I just put like a normal layer, like foundation, things like that. Here I'm organizing all my nail things. All these nail polishes are gel. They're from, I believe it's a store in Puerto Rico, and my mother-in-law and my mom, they all bought this for me, and they are amazing. I love them. They're very cheap, so like in the price, not in the quality. So I try to organize everything here only for nails, because this is something that I really use. And you can see Lorenza, she's super curious. In the entire video, like while I was doing this and recording all this, she was there. And it was so funny because if anything, I just like dropped something, she would freak out. So it was really funny. And you can see Lorenza is here. She's so cute, guys. Like I want to show you how cute she is and how curious she is. She's not really like a cuddler, but sometimes she just wants attention. And that's why I love cats' personality, because they're so genuine and they want attention and they have boundaries, and it's not when you want it, it's when they want. And Lorenza's always talking to me, like she's always meowing, and I love that. I really do. She's just like my favorite person cat. But yeah, she's my little baby. So back to cleaning, I have like this, it's like here it's nighttime, and we did so many things this day, but I really wanted to get this done. The thing is that I had so much shit, and I really wanted to organize and have everything ready, because this was Saturday and Sunday, and I wanted everything ready for that Monday because I had a lot of work. So I'm here organizing and seeing what fits, and if I can just pass by without any issues, organizing everything and just seeing what I want to do with all these things that I use, but I don't have really like a place. So I change and pull up the desk and see if it fit better. And changing this, like, I don't know, like the chair mat, I don't know what it's called, but and this is the next day. You can see there is a lot more of organization here, and I already had like that cart filled. I thought again that I filmed it, but I didn't. But I'm here just trying to organize everything, so I'm done. And this is basically almost like the final look, and you will see. But I do put like everything in order, like of what I use and what makes sense to me. And lastly, I'm trying to vacuum. I made a mess. So the last thing that I did was vacuum the entire office. I just didn't film everything because what's the point of filming every single thing? But I did try to clean as much as I could, so it would be like perfect for Monday. And today, like this day, is Sunday, so I wanted to have everything ready. Guys, so here is the final result. I am showing you like my wall. Like I have here all the books, I have my calendar, my vision board, and here is where I mostly read. I have like a heating pad that I use when my back is hurting, and I have like pretty much everything that I use here. And as you can see, the closet is so much better. It looks amazing. To me, it's just like the perfect thing. I have everything that I really don't reach for on the upper, like in the top of the closet. And here I have like everything for my nails, and this is what I use the most. I do my nails like every 2 weeks, but if I broke a nail or something, I use it again. And these are things that I'm gonna donate, things that I want to throw away, and just things that I really don't use that much. I have bags, I have like backpacks, I have suitcases, all the papers for my printer. I have there like art things and paints. I wanted to have everything like in the same theme, so it makes sense when I'm organizing, and if I'm reaching for something, I know where it is. There is like here, there's like a bunch of different things, but I know what it is in there. And yeah, that's basically it. I have like my cases here. Like I have a lot of loopy cases for my phone, so I try to stack them all there, so I know where they are. And this is basically like all the organizations that I have. And yeah, and that's the suitcase that I was telling you about. It's for work, and I really don't use it because I feel like if I'm gonna use that one, it's going to look like I'm from the FBI. So yeah, this is like my desk, and this is where I put like all the drawers is what I put like things for work that I really use. I have a little fridge that I keep like just like beverages that I use, like that I drink, or like the face or the eye patches that you guys saw me in the video. So yeah, everything is like pretty much organized, and I have everything that I need right there, and it looks so much better than it did before. And of course I have my treadmill because it's huge, guys. I can't do anything about it, and I want to keep it there because I use it because it's right there. Like I feel like it's talking to me. So here you have like a different view from the treadmill, and you can see everything a little bit better, and everything looks, and I've kept this the way you see it, and it makes me so happy, guys. So I finished the video, like I finally finished this little project. I do have eye patches or eye mask, whatever. I just needed that. I'm done, guys. I am done. Everything is like looking great. Everything is organized, kind of like, but better than how it was in the beginning. So I'm so happy. So thank you guys for watching this video. This reorganized my office and office closet. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.